I need a close-up of her. Bring her over so I can get a close-up of her feet. Go say hello, Lila.
She's scary.
Say hello. Gotta sit her still because it's blurry. Hi, Lila. Hello, cutie. Say hello. Say hello, doggy. Lila. Lila.
She's stuck in everything in her past.
Oh, she's so cute.
Okay, let her run
All right, you
around.
can let her run around.
Put up, put up, put up, put up. Put up, put up, put up.
All I see is your butt, Sammy. Guys, you're too loud.
Lila.
She runs like a rabbit.
Yeah.
Sammy, easy.